Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Computer Awareness MCQ for Bank Exams. Here is the set of practice questions for the topic of computer fundamentals. Although it is the most asked section, still it doesn't require very deep knowledge, just the basic understanding of the computer fundamentals. It is our assurance that it will surely help you in the SSC, banking and in campus placement as well. Q1. Binary digits are known by another name called A. Bytes. B. Kilobytes. C. Decimal bytes. D. Bits. E. None of these. Answer: option D. Explanation: a binary number is a number stated in the base 2 numeral system or binary numeral system, which utilizes just two symbols, commonly 0, 0, and 1. A bit is used to describe each digit. Q2. The standard floppy disk has the following size: A. 5.5, B. 3.5, C. 5.25, D. 4.5, E. None of these. Answer: option B. Explanation: the standard floppy disk which we use is of size 3.5. The dimensions of the floppy disk are 8.9 cm in width and 9.3 cm in height. It is referred to as a floppy since it has a circular magnetic floppy in the hard shell. Q3. The components of the computer IC chip are: A. Magnesium, B. Iron oxide, C. Calcium oxide, D. Silicon, E. None of these. Answer: option D. Explanation: a set of electronic circuits on a single, compact, flat piece of semiconductor material, typically silicon, is known as an integrated circuit or monolithic integrated circuit, also known as an IC, a chip, or a microchip. Q4. The term for the processor that executes mathematical and logical operations is: A. Control, B. ALU, C. Register, D. Cache memory, E. None of the above. Answer: option B. Explanation: a digital circuit that can do both arithmetic and logical operations is known as an arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Q5. Which mainframe computer was the first? A. UNIVAC, B. ASCC, C. Linux, D. ENIAC, E. None of the above. Answer: option D. Explanation: one of the first electronic general-purpose computers was the ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was digital, Turing-complete, and capable of reprogramming to handle a vast class of numerical problems. Q6. For analyzing and recording existing hypothetical systems, we need a computer-assisted method called: A. Data processing, B. Data management, C. Data retrieving, D. Data flow, E. None of the above. Answer: option C. Explanation: a computer-assisted method for analyzing and recording hypothetical systems is called data flow. The data flow can be internal or external. Q7. Which of the following is an example of an early Intel processor? A. 4080, B. 4004, C. 8055, D. 8086, E. None of the above. Answer: option B. Explanation: 4004 is the first Intel processor launched by Intel Corporation. Q8. Windows preferences are saved in: A. Windows, B. Win.ini, C. Groups.ini, D. System.ini, E. None of the above. Answer: option B. Explanation: the Win.ini file is a Windows system file used to initialize Microsoft Windows 3.x and 9.x and is loaded from the C. Windows directory each time Windows boots and loads settings. Q9. What kind of network protocol sends emails? A. HTTP, B. SNMP, C. POP3, D. SMTP. E. None of these. Answer, option D. Explanation. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is known as SMTP. To relay outgoing mail between the sender and the receiver is SMTP network protocol. When an email is sent, it is transferred over the internet from one server to another using SMTP. Q10. When was the first email sent? A. 1965. B. 1967. C. 1971. D. 1975. E. None of these. Answer, option C. Explanation. The initial email was sent in 1971. Ray Tomlinson was the first engineer who had sent the first email. The US government authorized Ayyadurai as the official inventor of email, who is an Indian. Q11. Arithmetic logic unit. A. Used for arithmetical and logical operations. B. Retrieve the data. C. We can communicate with input devices. D. To compare the values. E. None of the above. Answer, option D. Explanation. Arithmetic logic units, ALUs, are used for performing logical and arithmetical mathematical operations preferentially. ALU is the base and the most important for any system to run and work. Q12. RAM chips are used to A. Enabling the electronic storing of data by the computer. B. Store information without and unless you remove it. C. Are secondary memory. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. Answer, option A. Explanation. RAM chips are used as temporary storage for the data in the computer system itself. Q13. Supercomputers come in handy for A. Scientific applications and mathematical operations. B. Input-output processing. C. Data capturing. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. Answer, option A. Explanation. Supercomputers come in handy for scientific applications and mathematical operations. The usage is in the area of quantum mechanics, weather forecasting, oil and gas exploration, molecular modeling, etc. Q14. Which of the following is the quickest? A. CPU. B. Sensors and controllers. C. Printers. D. Plotters. E. None of these. Answer, option A. Explanation. CPU is the quickest among the given options. CPU is used for the operation of arithmetic and logical operations. For calculation purposes, the CPU is the fastest and other devices are used with the help of the CPU. Q15. A kilobyte, sometimes known as kilobyte, is equal to A. 1098 bytes. B. 1024 bytes. C. 256 bytes. D. 1000 bytes. E. None of the above. Answer, option B. Explanation. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Q16. Which of the following are the advantages of automation? A. Reduction in the paperwork and cost. B. Speed up of the process. C. Increase in construction cost. D. Both A and B. E. None of the above. Answer, option D. Explanation. The use of computers for data processing in an organization leads to a reduction in paperwork and results in speeding up the process. Automation means the execution of the work done automatically without any human intervention. Q17. Which of the following defines a directory? A. A catalog for files stored on the hard disk of a computer. B. A package of instruction that causes the computer to do something. C. Storage of all files which are deleted. D. A disk used to store a bulk data. E. None of the above. Answer, option A. Explanation. A directory is defined as the catalog of files stored on the hard disk of a computer. It is a mechanism for group files. Q18. For storing an initial program in ROM we need something called A. Data loader, B. Kernel, C. Computer startup loader, D. Bootstrap loader, E. None of the above. Answer, option D. Explanation. A bootstrap loader, bootstrap, or bootloader is the short software that initiates this sequence. The BIOS, Basic Input-Output System, contains the first instructor of an operating system's bootstrap loader program. Q19. A computer virus is A. Hardware, B. Software, C. Bacteria, D. Freeware, E. None of the above. Answer, option B. Explanation. A computer virus is software which is designed to detect, prevent and remove malware infections on individual computing devices, networks, and IT systems. Q20. Which of the following is a data processing product? A. Information, B. Data, C. Software program, D. System, E. None of the above. Answer, option A. Explanation. Data processing produces information. It is information that is related to one another and is comparable to products that are made after processing raw materials.